Good morning, plumbers and plumbing enthusiasts. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today we're going to do a water service, and we use a very neat and complete method of digging up your lawn and doing it like the pros. Check this out. Stay tuned, and we'll show you what we got going on when we get there. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Follow this journey to train my two sons of plumbing trade. It's going to be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere.
The locator was nice there.
Right? Just like we did in McDonald's.
Instead of digging up everything to find it.
Yeah, just dig until you hit something.
We took the pump out,
Okay.
put that away, did exactly what you said. It's all in the notes.
All right, cool. I didn't read them, man, to be honest with you.
It says turn the valves off in the ceiling,
Okay.
flush the, blow to hot, blow to cold. We put a little antifreeze in the sink. Since we took the pump out, we just put it in the trap. You only need a little bit.
Yeah,
We only poured a little bit just in the
Yeah,
trap. in the
yeah.
sink,
Nah, that's
and
good.
We pulled the pump and put that away. Drained it and put it away.
Give me a thumbs up, boss. Hey, Mark.
That,
6-inch water main?
that's more than 6.
Is it? 8-inch? No, it should be 6-inch ID, maybe. 8-inch?
That's 8 inch.
Let's rip it out.
Oh. Just take the saw, I can give you a little sprinkler system.
In there already?
Yeah, I was done. There you have it, folks. another fine sewer job. We use the same method for water services. We're not going to tear up your place, make it look like crap. We're going to treat it like our own and put it back together like we were never there. And with that, what do we got? We got some nice sod. We got a happy customer. And there goes another satisfied customer. See you at the next one, folks. Have a great day.